Brianna Lene. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but it's time for another video, and I'm showing you my easy 3-step wash day, starting with cleansing. I'm going to cleanse my hair. I'm going to shampoo my hair. I haven't washed my hair in about, I want to say 2 weeks, and it showed. Okay, so I took my time to really work the shampoo in, and I really want to make sure I get my scalp good because, like I said, it's been a little minute since I showed my hair some TLC. Once I'm done, I'm going to be using 2 products from Luster's Pink Moisture Maintenance. This is their newest collection. I'm going to follow up with conditioning. I am going to be deep conditioning my hair using the Super Hydrate and Shine Mask. So one of the first things that I noticed is that this thing is thick. And you know, I really love a good, thick, deep conditioner. It's almost like it really knows how to embrace my hair after being gone for so long. It's like, you know, when you see your grandma, you want to be embraced. That's what this deep conditioner really did to my hair. I'm working in sections to apply this Super Hydrate and Shine Mask. And a little tip, in order to help the product spread, I am going to have my spray bottle on hand, and I'm definitely going to use it to help make sure that the product is being evenly distributed all over my hair. I really like how this Hydrate and Shine Mask really just glides right on through my hair, making detangling super easy. And so it's really prepping me for the main event, which is styling. So this is super creamy. It smells amazing, and it kind of just like melts right in your hair. You just use your hands to work it in, apply some water to get things going, and you know what? Your curls are going to thank you later. As you can see, my hair is coming back to life. My tangles are gone, and you guys, this Super Hydrate and Shine Mask is perfect for those who are suffering from dry, dull, and hard to manage hair. This is an intensive treatment. So condition is its middle name. So now that I'm done applying all of this deep conditioner, I'm going to rinse it out. And I did let my hair air dry, and now it's time to style. So today, I want to show you all how easy it is to do a nice protective style. I think a lot of people think, oh, protective style means my hair doesn't look nice. No, you can have a protective style and your hair be moisturized, hydrated, and your hair still look nice. So I'm going to begin by sectioning off my hair and preparing to twist. I'm going to be doing some flat twists today, and I'm going to be using Luster's Pink Growth and Scalp Relief Natural Oil Moisturizing Lotion. This is soothing for your scalp and provides a calm sensation that nourishes and hydrates while also stimulating hair growth. It can be used daily to help calm scalp irritation and provide instant relief when wearing a variety of styles. This is perfect for my protective style because I want something that is going to moisturize my hair and not just disappear the next day or dissolve away. This will provide my hair with long-lasting moisture, and it literally just melts right into my hair. It feels so good going on, and it smells amazing. It kind of smells like peppermint, I want to say. The Growth and Scalp Moisturizing Lotion is formulated with certified organic coconut, olive oil, shea butter, castor oil, peppermint oil, aloe vera, and vitamins that are essential to our hair. So it's feeding our hair with all the things that we need. And so you can't tell me that this protective style is not about to protect. It starts with the products that really help to make a long-lasting and impactful protective style. So as you can see, we are still flat twisting, and I'm just taking my time by twisting each section, moisturizing each section. And you guys, I'm going to have a nice little pin up in the back situation going on. So it's best to style on dry hair, meaning air dried hair, because I just feel like I can grip my hair better and the style lasts longer and the products sit better with my hair when it's dry versus it being wet and trying to do a protective style. So that's why I decided to air dry. Now that I am wrapping up, I'm just about done. I'm going to go ahead and start pinning my hair up in the back, and I just secure my hair in place by using bobby pins. It's kind of a freestyle for me. I'm just feeling around, see what feels good, and I just use the bobby pins to hold my hair in place. Now, let me know, what do you think so far of these products that I've been using from Luster's Pink brand new moisture maintenance collection? Let me know in the comments how we're feeling, because y'all, these end results are the bomb. I feel like you can wear this style wherever your hair is moisturized, and I feel so much better. You can find these products exclusively on lusterspink.com today. Thank y'all so much for watching. Let me know what you guys are thinking in the comments, and I will see you in the next video.